This JP, and this is the JP way. This how to replace a front hood strut 05 to 08 Dodge Magnum. So it's a slot here. Put the screwdriver in that, twist that. Really, it don't even matter because you about to get rid of these. That's why you bought new ones, and you see it's already pretty much coming out the slot. You can hit that. Then you come right down here to this one, and this one actually come from this way, and you see these grooves in there. Push this up, and if you break it like I did, it don't matter because you're taking it off anyway. Rotate this way, lift off. That's it, simple. Now all you gotta do, take your angle piece on this particular one here and just push it down. It's snapped in there, it's not pulling out. Come up to here, you could twist that. Now you see it's not lining up because it's actually supposed to be two people. Let me see if I can kind of do this. Use my shoulder, lift it up a little bit, and boom, snapped into place. That's it, good to go. It ain't pulling out. That's it, simple, done. It's the JP way, baby. Now we got some new hood struts on this bad puppy, new. And we ready to roll. Let me take my little prop stick up out of there. Tell him, man, you ready to go now. Boom. Myself. Close it down. Oh, them boys got pressure on it. Boom, done. Let me go and pop this so y'all can see this. It's that old boy. And you see on there, it says down. Actually right there, boom, down. You see that's what it say? Down. So, you know, you probably would think, oh yeah, it's supposed to be like this. But nope, it's all like that, down. Good to go. And like I said, you can see this piece here. It slides down to lock it. It slides up to open it. Twist it, pull it off. Good to go. And under there, voila. Ready to roll. Told you, dog. Yeah. Good looking, Amazon. It's JP, and this is the JP way. Automotive edition. Told you, dog. Little everything. It's what we do over here, dog. Oh, let me show y'all this too. Same thing, except these got the clips on the bottom here and on the top here. Same thing. And that's how the old ones was. So you can put the screwdriver there and pop it. You know what I'm saying? A little rotate. That's it. Same thing right here. Like I say, same thing. You go here, put your screwdriver in the channel, boom. Screwdriver in there, tilt it, pop that, and take a little screwdriver or something in here, rock it, and pop that out. Don't mind, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button. This JP, and this is the JP Way Automotive Edition. Because we do a little some of everything over here, man. You know, it's just one of the many talents, faceted things that your dog can do. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching this video. This JP, and this is the JP Way. Thanks for watching.